Good morning. Day 8. Leaving Chicago. We woke up and at the bottom of our hotel, everything's closed off by police and snowplows. Looks like they're having a huge Chicago PD parade. As much as Justin and I would like to stay and watch, we have a schedule to keep. We have over 600 miles today. I think depending on what we decide when we get to Sioux Falls. Popo everywhere. Oh my God! So look at that. This is crazy. That's awesome. We're gonna go get our bikes because we're parked 2 blocks away. Bring it back to the hotel, load up our bags. Then we should be off. Okay, Chicago, you've been good to us. It was fun.
Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend, gute Nacht, schönen Abend, schönen Tag, auf Wiedersehen, bis Montag. Schönes Wochenende wünsche ich dir. Schönes Wochenende wünsche.
Just outside of Chicago. We got 600 miles to go at least. That's if we stay in Sioux Falls. So that's 8 hours in the south. It's looking kind of rough. Tread's looking all right on the front tire. Starting to get a little flat, but the tread still looks good. How does your tread look? Oh. Yeah, you're getting close to the wear bar. Right here.
I can feel it square.
It wants to go back straight up.
Well, it kind of bites the weight a little bit.
Yeah.
I got to get over that flat spot.
That's all highway riding.
Schönes Wochenende wünsche ich dir. Schönes Wochenende wünsche ich dir.
Look what we're going into.
When the rain begins to fall and the sky turns gray, when the words you need are lost along the way, take a breath, my love, set it free. Sometimes all you can do is let it be. Rise above, just let it be. There's a calm beyond the sea. Will fade, Hearts will heal.
Wisconsin.
Time will
I
show
think it's
what's
time to
meant
take
to
off
be.
the Ranger. We are all gassed up, ready for the next push. The sun has come out, warming a little bit up, a little bit. Now my fingers and toes aren't numb anymore. When we went to that storm, that temperature dropped to like low 40s. Yeah, it was like 41 degrees or something. My gloves are all wet. Now that they're drying up.
Mine are all dry.
You're good. Yeah, I'm pretty much dry now.
Just let it be. When the night feels long and cold, and you're tired of being bold, don't fight the wind, just let it blow. What's yours will stay, what's not will go. When the road feels far and wide, and you've no strength left inside, close your eyes, drift with the breeze, find your peace in memories.
Got a Red Bull. I found a Landjäger, so I have to try it.
There's a calm beyond the sea.
Doesn't taste like a real Landjäger. That's disappointing.
Hearts will heal.
It's not bad, but definitely not a Landjäger. Turn it on so we can watch you eat cheese curds.
Putting your gloves on. So.
Put my gloves on if I want to put my gloves on.
Would you like a jalapeno cheese curd?
I would not like a cheese curd right now, thank you. Last thing I need is diarrhea 4.5 hours away from her.
I'm hoping that it plugs me up.
How's the cheese curd?
Very good, actually.
In the silence you will see.
Does it pair well with your watermelon flavored Red Bull?
First of all, you racist.
Am I being? It's watermelon flavored.
It's. Oh wait, sorry, this is watermelon.
You're such an asshole.
I thought it was the cranberry one.
No. Ah. The fuck was that?
Ich weiß gar nicht so genau, warum ich sie so gerne mag. Ich glaube, ich mag die Art. Deswegen hab ich sie gefragt. Würdest du heute mit mir ausgehen? Ich würde dich auch nach Haus bringen. Ich weiß, du musst früh aufstehen. Würdest du trotzdem mit mir ausgehen? Ich glaube, ich mag die Art, Brother, dass wir
I took the wrong exit in a construction zone, and we got diverted to the small town. So we're just gonna get gas. Oh, Tappy Tappy works. Yep. We're gonna go back. I want to show you the house that looks like got smoked by a tornado. It got. It's like the only one that got hit by a little tornado that went through the town. Imagine being the lucky one. I know. I'm sorry?
Where are you guys from?
We're from California. Yeah. All right. Just follow us. We won't go too fast. This nice lady also got confused at the detour, and she's lost. She doesn't know how to get back to the freeway, so she's gonna follow us. Ready? All right, let's go.
Dass sie immer am Start ist, wenn jemand was sagt, was ihr nicht gefällt. Ich glaube, auf der Welt gibt es nicht viele mit so großen Zielen. Deswegen hab ich sie gefragt: Würdest du heute mit mir ausgehen? Ich würd dich auch nach Haus bringen. Ich weiß, du musst früh aufstehen. Würdest du trotzdem mit mir ausgehen? Würdest du heute mit mir ausgehen? Ich würd dich auch nach Haus bringen. Ich weiß, du musst früh aufstehen. Willst du nicht trotzdem mit mir ausgehen? Verdammt, ich mag die Art. Sie ist einfach da. Und naja, zum Glück hab ich sie.
Took a bug right to the helmet, so.
Many bugs right to the helmet.
Many bugs. Yeah. Huh? Can't see anything. There's a big old bug splat here. Those headwinds are so bad. I'm getting 20 miles per gallon. I did the math. We made it to Sioux Falls.
Wait, how is it?
And it is-
And a sushi bar.
I don't know. My bike is starting to make this sound. What would you call that sound my bike is making? Not a rattle.
It sounds like a
Bear.
going
A
bad.
pull. Yeah, it sounds like a timing belt going bad.
No.
But I don't have timing belt. Like a bearing in the pulley. So first and foremost is food.
Yeah.
We're gonna figure out if we're gonna keep riding.
Yep.
We gotta figure out my Harley situation. So I think we figured it out, right? Determined that the best course of action is not to push on. It's to stay here overnight. Take my bike straight to a Harley dealership. Because one opens tomorrow at 9. Figure out what's going on with it. But we did 600 miles today.
Yeah.
And I don't know how we did it, but we so happened to have found the most expensive restaurant.
Yeah,
in Sioux
right.
Falls,
Without even trying.
without even trying. So we're just gonna take it easy tonight. Find a cheap motel. Motel, holiday. All right. It's the plan. We're gonna play it safe. I think there's a tensioner or a pulley or even the primary, some kind of tensioner or chain in the primary case that is squealing. It's gotten worse on this ride. So there's a Harley Davidson in town. Opens tomorrow at 9 a.m. So we're gonna go find a hotel here instead of pushing on, which we would have preferred to push on to another 200 miles. But if we get broken down here, and that's really gonna screw up our return trip. So bummer, man. I wish my bike wasn't causing problems.
All part of the adventure.
All right, see you tomorrow.